oxygen, what makes it life. So dear students, we have studied that air supports life because it has different gases which helps both plants and animals to survive, and oxygen is the gas that has made life possible on the earth. And this oxygen, it is necessary for breakdown of food to get energy, and the process of breakdown of food into carbon dioxide and water to release energy is called respiration, that makes life possible. As we all know that life on the earth exists only because of oxygen, and oxygen is the most important part of the atmosphere, and it is necessary to sustain most terrestrial life as it is used in respiration. One cannot perform even single activity without oxygen. All living beings, they can survive without oxygen only for 3 minutes. So different organism that live in water and soil, they also use oxygen, and they survive and they are living only because of the oxygen that is present. And how we can say that? If we consider the fishes, the fish breathe in oxygen that is dissolved in water. They breathe it through the gills, and they have gills that absorb the oxygen from the water, and that makes the life of the fishes possible under water. So oxygen is needed for the respiration by the fishes also. Next come to the plants. The plants which float on water, they have stomata on the upper surface of their leaf. They take in air through these stomata. So through these stomata they take in air, and then what is the function of the stomata? The stomata, they are the most important part of the plants because they help in gaseous exchange. So the upper part of the stomata, they help in take up of the gases through the atmosphere, so that plant they can get the air, and then they carry out the process of photosynthesis. Next, the submerged plants, the plants which are completely submerged in water. Some examples like tape grass we have, they do not have stomata, they lack the stomata, and they take dissolved oxygen in water through their body surfaces. So they take the oxygen through their body surfaces. And we have few animals that live in soil under the ground, like the earthworms and snakes also. Some rats also, they live in the under the ground in burrows in desert areas especially. So but there are few animals that live inside soil like the earthworms, and they how do they get the oxygen? They get oxygen from the air spaces which are present inside the soil. And what happens when they normally live in soil but they come out? When do you see the earthworm? You must remember that when it rains, sometime when it rains heavily, the next morning you observe the earthworms around yourself in your environment. So why do they come out then? What is the reason that you can't see them? You don't see them normally, but when it rains heavily, then you are able to see them. So dear students, they come out of the soil only during heavy rains, and this happens because when it rains heavily, the rainwater, it fills up all the spaces of the air in the soil. So no air is left in the soil for the earthworm to breathe or to respire. So they come out of the soil and they breathe in the air. They breathe in the atmosphere. So they come out only during the rainy season when it rains heavily. And plants like mangroves, which grow in waterlogged soil, means completely submerged by water, they grow in waterlogged soil, and they have roots that grow out of the soil to get air, because they are waterlogged, that is soil is waterlogged completely. So what they do, how do they breathe in air? Their roots are so that they grow out of the soil and to get air. So in this way, the plants and animals which live in soil also, which are covered by soil also, they also need air to breathe. So oxygen is something that is necessary for all the living beings, that is necessary for all the living things, all the animals to breathe or to respire. So life is not possible without oxygen. So it is always correct to say that all living things breathe, they take in oxygen from the air, and plants breathe through the stomata present on their leaves, and terrestrial animals, they breathe through the lungs. So oxygen is necessary for life. Oxygen is necessary for the process of respiration also. So oxygen is